Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix the Spotify Playback Failed Connection Error. First, clear the cache from your phone settings. Open the Settings app on your phone. Go to Apps or Apps and Notifications, depending on your device. Find and tap on Spotify. Then tap on Storage. You will see an option called Clear Cache. Tap on Clear Cache only, not Clear Data. This will remove temporary files that may be causing the playback error. Once done, close everything and restart your phone. After your phone turns back on, open Spotify and test if the music plays. If the problem continues, check if you are using a VPN or any ad blocker. VPN services can sometimes block Spotify from connecting to its servers. Turn off your VPN and disable any ad-blocking apps. Then open Spotify again and test playback. Next, make sure Spotify is updated. Open the App Store on iPhone or the Google Play Store on Android. Search for Spotify and check if an update is available. If there is, install it. If the error still appears, uninstall Spotify completely. Restart your phone, then reinstall Spotify from the App Store. Log in again and check if the issue is resolved. Thanks for watching.